nakahihintay natin ay yung birthday girl mismo. No other than the Vice President of the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to present to you the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, the future President of the Philippines. Vice President Inday Sara Duterte!
Thank you, mga kababayan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Madayaw, maayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat.